Here's how to create a YouTube thumbnail that will get the job done. Without much ado, let's get started. Welcome to my channel. My name is Vincent Annie. Maybe you are thinking that YouTube thumbnail can only be created in Photoshop or similar software. No, you are wrong. You can easily create your own thumbnail in free-to-use software like Keynotes, Coreldraw, and so on. In this video, I will show you how to create a stunning YouTube thumbnail in Canva. Very easy. Trust me, you don't need to be a graphic designer to know how to use Canva. While in Canva Home, go to the right top corner and click on this icon, Create a Design. Scroll down to YouTube Thumbnail, which is 1280 by 720 pixels in size. Choose any of the templates by the left column and customize it, if that's what you want. But today, we are creating a new design from the scratch. The next thing is to upload your images to Canva. Click on Upload, Upload Files. I will choose this image I downloaded from Adobe Stock. If your image source is your footage, here's what to do. Pause the video at the clip of the image you want to choose. Then screenshot the image using print screen key on your keyboard or Command plus Shift plus 4 on Mac to screenshot a selection of the image, or Shift plus Windows key plus S on PC. Now the download is completed. Click on your image to bring it to your design page. Resize the image, make it bigger. This background has to go, you'll agree with me. Canva has made this process easy. Ensure the image is selected, click on Edit Photo, then on Background Remover. It will only take a few seconds and the background is gone. Now click this to bring in the new background. I've already uploaded it to Canva. Resize it until it covers the entire design page or artboard. Next, go to Position and send it back. This is already looking good. Next, we are going to blur the background a little bit so our model and the text can stand out. Select the background, edit photo. You can apply any of the preset filters, but we will leave it as none for now. Instead, let's go to blur, increase the brush size. In this case, I will reduce the blur intensity significantly down to 5 and start brushing. I think I like that. Very subtle blur. Very nice. It's time to add the text. Click on the text icon over here. Let me drag this style in. Replace the text with loose belly fact in 7 days. Delete this. Adjust the text. You can resize, reposition, change the font, color, and so on. Duplicate the text and replace it with no equipment. To apply more effects, select the text, go to Effects, notice no style has been added. Try out these styles, but we are just going to add drop shadow. We will change the color to black, then do other things like increase transparency, change the direction of the shadow. Do the same thing to no equipment, drop shadow, black color, increase transparency. Now, to make our text to really stand out and add a little more finesse to our design, let's go to Element and select this rectangle. Resize it, rotate it, and place it this way. Next, go to Position and send it backwards. Adjust the position of the model and fit the text in the rectangle. Let's change this text color to match the color of the measuring tape over here. Reduce the transparency of the blue background if that works for you. it definitely works for me. You can now bring in other elements like the logo of the brand. Place it here. The last thing we are going to do is to apply some effects on our model. You can select any of the preset filters, but I'm going to leave it as none. Instead, go to adjust and play with these settings. You may not know what these settings do. The only way to find out anyway is to drag the slider to the end and back to the beginning, and you will observe the effect on the model. So keep the adjustments small and simple, around 15. Do the same with tint, brightness. If you are getting value so far, please give this video a thumbs up. Contrast. And highlight. It's not as if you must adjust all the settings. A few is okay. And finally, sharpen the image. You can do your final adjustments, and when you are satisfied with the result, go to the right top corner and click on Share. Then download. Select any of these file types, but I will stick with PNG. Download. And that's how to create a YouTube thumbnail. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this.